thing I forgot, and it's the one thing I'd like the most. I'd like to have an elephant for Christmas, but how you gonna fit him in your sleigh? I don't believe he'd be a lot of trouble if you feed him lots of peanuts on the way. Lots of folks would rather have a puppy, and I'll bet that that would be a lot of fun. But I'd like to have an elephant for Christmas. Maybe Santa, you can get me one. I'd like to have an elephant for Christmas, but how you gonna get him neath the tree? Just suppose that he got stuck up in our chimney, then everyone would blame it all on me. Lots of folks are crazy about the monkeys. They like to watch them play out at the zoo. But I'd like to have an elephant for Christmas. Santa, won't you see what you can do? Elephant for Christmas. I promise I'll be good all through the year. I know it won't be easy, but it sure would please me if on Christmas Day my elephant is here. But I'd like to have an elephant for Christmas. Maybe Santa, you can find a way. I'd like to have an elephant for Christmas. Maybe Santa, you can find a way.